No way that you can hide from the best. I'm a mess. I body anything that take a breath. On my left is a Apollo body bigger than myself, and on my right is 100 scared souls screaming help. And they scattered trying to get away, but they gon' meet day in the day. Ain't no way they ever had a chance to contend with me. Cause see, I kill them all. I could kill them all. It's either me or them. And my blood ain't about to spill it all. Cause I'm the hunter, not the hunting. And for an enemy, I guarantee that they don't want me. It's something just a little different by how I run this. Maybe it's the way I turn my enemies to lunch me. Or maybe it's the way I smash everything in front of me. They don't want it. I do it so easy, it's funny, G. I turn a vet into a wannabe and do it to the death. I put them in their final scene. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I could kill them all. I could kill them all. Yeah, 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 yeah. I could kill them all. I could kill them all. Yeah, 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 yeah. I could kill them all. I could kill them all. Yeah, 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 yeah. I could kill them all. I could kill them all. Yeah, I can see the fear in their faces. And here when I come out of the box, I leave my faceless. It almost makes it. Still need to break them bones. But now I break so many that it's basic. They told me have mercy. I hit them with a flurry. Show them the dark side. Then give them hell glory. And show me somebody on the planet that handle that. And I show you a body that's open just like a saddlebag. Candle wax, that's how I melt them down. My aim flawless, I never mess around. Move at perfection's pace, taking out these clowns. In other words, you against me, then you going down. I said I'd kill them all, I could kill them all. I got more bodies than the more, cause I'm next to fall. I'm next to find out what it's like when they hit the wall. So hard that when I'm done, ain't nothing left at all. Yeah, 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 yeah. I could kill them all, I could kill them all. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Фига, это было близко. Вообще.